Uh-oh, be careful. What are you doing? Feeding the birds?
No, I'm not feeding the birds.
You're not. What are you doing?
I'm doing something.
Hey.
Mama.
Well, you're...
Run,
Oh, are the...
run, Mom.
You want the boys to come up here and play?
Yeah.
Are they with you now?
Yeah.
You got them in your hand?
Yeah.
Okay, quit running. You're gonna trip and fall. Yeah, 'cause your good shoes are at Aunt Lisa's.
Boys, you watch Mama.
You want the boys to watch me for a minute?
Yeah.
Okay.
Boys, see right there.
No, 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 no. Uh-uh. Come on.
Oh.
Okay, go ride your bike. Are you gonna get more berries?
Huh?
You gonna get more berries?
Yeah.
Oh, feeding the birds. There you go. Good job.